Before using the honer, be sure you are not wearing rings, watches, bracelets, or loose-hanging necklaces. Long sleeves should be rolled up and hairnets worn for longer hair. Safety glasses should be worn at all times while operating the honer. Turn the hand wheel counterclockwise until the honing wheels are not overlapped. Turn the hand wheel clockwise until the honing wheels begin to overlap. Using one of the numbers on the hand wheel as a reference point, turn the hand wheel 3 complete turns clockwise. The HR8 honing wheels are now ready to begin sharpening. Turn the main power switch on. Press the start button on and turn the speed switch to sharpen to activate the honing wheels. Turn the pump switch on. Place the knife blade on the honing wheels as close to the heel as possible. Holding the knife level, draw it across the honing wheels. For knives with curved tips or curved blades, raise the handle to follow the curve as you draw the blade across the honing wheels. Repeat until the knife has a new edge. The width of the sharpening bevel should be even on both sides of the blade. If it is not, lean the blade toward the side of the knife with the narrowest sharpening bevel while sharpening the knife. Moving to the true hone and using light pressure, draw the knife across the polishing wheel 4 to 8 times.